Would you like to be able to get the very best results from your vitamin C serum? Well, of course you would. Who wouldn't? We spend a lot of money on that stuff. But do you feel that there are just too many choices? What strength to use? What type of ingredient? Well, if that's you, you're definitely in the right place because I'm going to talk about it in today's video. Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about and clearing up some of the confusion around vitamin C serums. You know, it's a prevalent product out there on the market. Everybody's got one in their skincare line, and there are all these different strengths, and there's two different kinds. There's L Ascorbic Acid and magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. Which one is better? So we're gonna try to dissect that in today's video. Now, if you're new and you don't know who I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert and I'm here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do your skin or you more harm than good. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure and subscribe and hit that tiny little notification bell so that you know when my new videos come out each week. All right, so as if life is not stressful enough, skincare's got to come in and give us products that can make it even more stressful, especially for a skincare junkie like me. Now, we know that vitamin C serum can do some pretty wondrous things for skin of all ages, well, 15 and up, but it also works across skin types and sensitivities. So it's a really very good natural ingredient because it can do so many things for your skin. It helps promote collagen production. It helps reverse sun damage. It also helps erase brown spots, which I guess is part of sun damage, hyperpigmentation. It helps plump up fine lines and wrinkles and makes your complexion look overall smooth, even, and bright. It really truly is a wonderful ingredient. And perhaps the biggest thing that it can do for your skin is that it repairs sun exposure and collagen loss by speeding up cellular turnover and helping regenerate new skin cells. But you know, there's always a but, right? There's always a but. And I have 4 buts for you today. But number 1, you need to know which of the 2 ingredients work best for your skin. Is it L Ascorbic Acid or is it Sodium Acorbyl Phosphate or Magnesium Ascorbyl Phosphate? Goes by both names. One of those is going to be better for your skin. The other but, especially when it comes to L Ascorbic Acid, is that you need to have a certain strength of that ingredient in your serum to actually do your skin a whole lot of good. And the third but, and it's a pretty big but, is that it needs to be applied to your skin by itself and not mixed with retinols or niacinamide. And the fourth but is that you need to be using it consistently for about a month before you actually can see the visible results and benefits that it's going to give you. So let's quickly talk about the 2 types of vitamin C ingredients in serums. The first is L Ascorbic Acid. That is the one most people are most familiar with. It is the one that's usually on the label with a strength, 10%, 15%, 23%. It is a strong derivative of vitamin C. It is not stable, which simply means it oxidizes very easily when it's exposed to air or sunlight. And while it can do some pretty powerful things pretty quickly to your skin as compared to sodium ascorbyl phosphate, it does have the propensity or the ability to irritate some people's skin, especially if you have very sensitive skin. That's why oftentimes when you get an L Ascorbic Acid serum or vitamin C serum made with that ingredient, it comes in a light-proof, pretty much airtight container or a dark bottle. That's to keep the sunlight out because that product will degrade. It will oxidize and lose its strength and not be doing you any good over a period of about 60 days. So for most of us, if we can use our vitamin C serum that quickly, that's great. But if you spend $150 for a vitamin C serum and you don't use it often or you forget or you just don't use that much of it, pretty much it's got to go in the trash can after about 60 days. Now let's quickly talk about the other ingredient, sodium ascorbyl phosphate or magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. That is often labeled as sodium ascorbyl phosphate on products, but the great thing about this particular derivative of vitamin C that's water soluble, so it mixes well with many different types of ingredients. It is stable, so it does not oxidize and degrade as quickly. It is milder for skin, so a lot of people tolerate it very well. And while it will not give you the benefits as quickly as an L Ascorbic Acid serum will, it will give you those benefits over time. So it really is a great product, and it oftentimes costs a heck of a lot less than its counterpart with the L Ascorbic Acid. Now that's another reason that you're starting to see Sodium Acorbyl Phosphate in these multitasking serums, which I kind of love because getting rid of a bunch of steps in your skincare routine saves you time and money. And a lot of these multitaskers use that ingredient just for the reasons we spoke about. It's water soluble, it mixes well with other ingredients, and it's mild on the skin. I've used both and do use both because I test so many products and they both work equally well for me. So which one is right for you? Well, if you're over 30 and you're already seeing some sun damage or some aging issues with your skin, L Ascorbic Acid is going to be a better pick. It's going to help boost that collagen production, speed up cellular turnover, and give you that bright, even complexion that you're looking for. And it's going to help you keep it as you get older. Obviously, I use L Ascorbic Acid myself most of the time because I'm way over 30. Now, if you're younger than 30 and you're just starting out in skincare or you have very sensitive skin, then a Sodium Acorbyl Phosphate product is going to be better for you because it is milder. It's going to be easier for you to use and learn how your skin reacts to it and what kind of benefits you get from it. And it costs a whole lot less usually. Now, if you're new to vitamin C serums and you don't have your favorite, and you want me to give you a recommendation and you're gonna go for an L Ascorbic Acid product, then I really recommend you check out the Ordinary's products. Again, those products, as I talk about all the time, there are 1 or 2, 3 at most ingredients in their formulation, so they're very straightforward and simple. I myself use, no surprise to you guys who watch me on the channel, the Vitamin C 23%, the Vitamin C 23% suspension with hyaluronic acid spheres. I use this product routinely, except when I'm testing other products, but I really do love it. This is my go-to vitamin C serum. And if you're under 30 and you're starting to really work with your skin and skincare serums, then I highly recommend you pick a Sodium Acorbyl Phosphate formulation, something like Olay's Regenerist Tone Serum Max. That's their vitamin C serum. It also has vitamin B3 in it, which is very hydrating for your skin. Really great product to start off on. Again, it's not very expensive. Neither one of these products are terribly expensive for vitamin C serums. You can pay up to 150 bucks for some of these. These are really all you need in your routine. Now, I hope this quick, down and dirty video on vitamin C helps you make some sense of the two different kinds, the two different formulations, and which one would be best for your skin and fit in your skincare routine. If you're using a vitamin C serum, please let me know which one you're using and what the results have been for you. I'd really like to know that. Now, if the video was helpful for you, please be sure to give it a like, comment below, and let me know. Also, be sure and check out my next videos coming up so that you can perfect your own skincare routine so you get your best looking skin ever. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, supporting the channel. You know I love you guys. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video.